morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. What we got here is another one of our beautiful engines here. This happens to be a 383 Chevy Stroker. It's going to a 32 truck. And it's got this cool March kit on it. This is a high style and pretty neat. This is a 450 base model with our Holly on here with an electric choke. It's a 750 Holly, our Edelbrock heads, and Eagle rotating assembly. Again, we custom build each and every engine, so it arrives the way you want your engine to look and the way you want it to perform. This one happens to be a 450 edition, makes about 460 something horsepower. Phenomenal. And we always make sure that the power is in the middle power band, so it's usable horsepower. That's what we do here. We build usable horsepower. So again, if anything we can help you with, it's 1-800-267-3940. What do I always say? The proof is in the performance. Thank you. Hey Gary, we got your 1932 Chevy truck engine done here. It's a Chevy 383 and with this cool ass system on here from March. Let's check it out. Fire it up, Matt. Runs great. How's that? Runs nice.